Inventory counting and the AA exam, just what do we need to know in order to score more marks? Well, remember, guys, that inventory counts are a form of control. They're a control activity that is one of the main ones a company would employ over its controls, and it's very important. But the type of count they can choose is either to perform the year-end count, where they count all their stock at or just around year end, before or after that, or they might choose to adopt the perpetual counting system, where instead of counting all the stock in one go around year end, they would count part of it at regular intervals, say 1/12 every month, to make sure that throughout the year they have counted all of their inventory. And which one is better will depend entirely on the circumstances of the organization. Because while it's all well and good to count all your stock just before you have to record it, this isn't always possible or practical, and perpetual counts might be more sensible. They could also allow for stricter control over inventory. So if we have a question in which we are told that a company has adopted or switched to perpetual counting system, we don't have a deficiency just because of that in controls. We don't have a direct control either. It's neither good or bad on its own, but it could have implications, and it could be a deficiency if we're told in the question that not all the counts were performed. So that means that the control is not operating effectively, not all inventory has been counted, and there could be discrepancies between the book stock and the physical stock. That is a control deficiency only if we are told that inventory perpetual counts were not all performed. Similarly, if you have an audit risk question and that is in your scenario, you can say inventory could be misstated if not all the perpetual counts were performed, but only in that situation.